Okay, y'all. So this recipe, it says a ravioli pizza bake. How y'all doing today? It's Friday. So what we're gonna make though, and it's gonna bake and cook in the oven. I was trying to find something quick to cook. I paid $2.50 for these ravioli at Kroger. This is what the bag looks like. See, it says beef ravioli from Kroger, and I've had them before and I like them. So I'm gonna take these. If y'all notice, I don't really buy much prepared food. Most of what I do is cook from scratch. Like every once in a while I do like jambalaya and stuff like that, but the sodium content and things like that is just so high. Very, very high. So I'm getting older and I'm having to cut back on some things I like, and so trying to incorporate more salads. Okay, so now it says add another layer of the sauce. Let's say it's saying a single layer, but nah, we're gonna go ahead and kind of almost look like I need some more sauce, doesn't it? We're gonna make this work though. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little water to try and get everything out. Yeah, check the sodium content in that food that's already prepared. It is outrageous, and a lot of times, you know, you'll see the serving, but the serving won't be. It won't that amount be for serving. But what you're actually eating is the whole. Say, for instance, the serving size is a half a cup, and that particular container has 2 cups, and you eat the whole thing, and you've consume twice that amount. A lot of times, I'm telling you, some of the sodium content in some of those dishes be all you need in a whole day. That is a lot. Now I threw the bag away and don't even know what else I'm supposed to do. I know it's going to be on 375. I'm going to cover this with some foil, and I'm not going to put the cheese on there just yet. I'm going to put the cheese on there after it's been cooking for 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, so I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. And one lady told me, thank you, ma'am. She did. She said, why you don't show your finished product? And that's true. That is so true. So I'm going to do better, y'all. Just work with me. Bear with me. Okay, I'll be back. In the oven this goes. I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes with the top on it. And then I'm going to come back and show y'all when I add the cheese. We're going to put it back in there for another 20 minutes or until it's done. And then we'll add, and I'll show y'all the finished product. So this is after the 20 minutes. And it has began to cook some, as you can tell. And so now I am going to add the cheeses. And so what I have here, I have some Mexican 4 cheese by Kraft, and then I have some Colby milk. And this is what I used this when I did. We had taco salads, and then the other day we had a green salad, and I had. So this is what I had left from both, and just to go ahead and use it up, I didn't put it back in the freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and use it up today. Like I said, this is just a little something for lunch. My son, when I'm working, he usually just have a sandwich or something. Or sometimes if I cook, I have him to get just, you know, he can eat leftovers. But we didn't have any leftovers. I don't usually have leftovers on a Friday. Friday is the evening I don't cook, we eat out. Most of the rest of the week we usually cook, but on Fridays I don't. And so I got those cheeses, I think, for $1.79 Kraft. Kraft can be as much as $3 in some places. And then again, like I said, this is an Albertsons brand cheese. This is on sale this week with the Just For You coupon. I'm sorry. The Just For You coupon. This is actually 79 cents this week. On any given week when it's not on sale, it could be $3. Yeah. And this is the steel rustic cut. Rustic cut. That's going to make it the mozzarella, and it's skim milk. I was surprised. I forgot I used it in something, and I was really shocked at how good it was. But I'm a person, I'm fair in the way I spread things. I like everything to be covered. Anybody else like that? Kind of anal about that? I know I ain't the only one, right? Okay, so we're gonna stick this back in the oven. I think I'm gonna keep that. I am gonna keep the foil on it for the next 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna take it off. I think I'm gonna crank it up to 4 too. All right, so I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna put it back in for a little bit longer, but I just want to give it a little color. So this is a little ground paprika. And this is a little parsley flakes. Just to give it a little something. Okay, we're going to put it back in there for probably about 5 or 10 minutes, and this will be ready to roll. I'll be back to show you what it looks like when I'm finished. I'm getting ready to fix my son his plate. Again, to the viewer who told me, she said, why don't you show your finished results? Thank you, because that's what we're here for, right? So, like I said, all things, don't take everything as somebody being mean. That recommendation is going to help me. So, that's what it's looking like. Can y'all see it? And that's my son's plate. Do you want some of this? You put salad dressing in it. Huh?
Don't care for it.
Okay, there you go. Had these before and I like them. Now the recipe on the back of the thing says it uses pizza, so I may get that one day and cook it, you know, for like a little lunch or something real quick. Throw this together, an hour's time is done. I'm trying to find something different than eating the same stuff all the time. Lord, we thank you for shelter. Thank you for love. Bless those who want a meal and not able to get one, Lord. Bring nourishment to their bodies. Give you praise. Amen. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Let's see what it tastes like. Can y'all see the inside, what it looks like? A little meat that's right there. I'm going to get a little bit of that sauce. And see if I can conjure up a little bit of that cheese. Just a tad. See what it tastes like. It's good. That's good, y'all. The Kroger Ravioli, $2.50. The Lucerne cheese, 79 cents. The Ragu pizza sauce, 69 cents. And that's my lunch, my brunch for today. Much love, y'all. Be blessed. Bye.